I'm Stephanie Derderian with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, here to tell you about a wonderful listing that I have at 910 South Michigan Avenue in Chicago, Unit 1805. This is a great opportunity price condo, which is why I'm making this video. It's a 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,725 square feet with wonderful views of Lake Michigan, and they're asking $465,000 plus parking. You can get more details on my website at chicagoskylinehomes.com. But meanwhile, I want to show you the pictures of this condo. This is the living room, which you can see has some very lovely views of Lake Michigan, Grant Park, Buckingham Fountain, and Navy Pier. You can watch the fireworks all the time. Here's the living room. Again, it features a fireplace, and it opens to the dining room here with the dining table, a breakfast bar, and of course that opens to the kitchen, which is all in stainless steel, granite countertops, wall ovens. Very nice. Here's the other view showing that. The master bathroom is wonderful. It's got a double vanity in there with a walk-in shower and a big jacuzzi tub. It also features 2 walk-in closets that are fully organized. Now the second bathroom is also very nice. It's got a tub shower with a full-size vanity, and of course a unit like this has an in-unit washer dryer. So to learn more about this, as I said, go check out my website at chicagoskylinehomes.com, and I hope you know somebody who might be interested, because this is a great price for a condo like this. Thanks for listening.